Respected dignitaries and my dear friends, it's a pleasure to be here. It reminds me a day 20 years back when I graduated from XLRI. And trust me, I think I have seen for last 20 years, business education has evolved in India, and it's still evolving at a very fast pace. And I do sincerely believe that you guys are very lucky to be a part of a curriculum which stands out. When the first time I heard about this curriculum, I was initially not very convinced, and I had some discussion with Radhika. When I went back and tried to, in fact, place few of the students as an intern in Schaeffler, I did face some resistance because I think many of you who already has some stints in the industry is somewhere who are hardcore compliance oriented. So they have seen something which has acted in the past. They don't like to deviate from there and experiment. And out of the first batch, I still remember one of them was, I think, Ashwin. Yeah. And second one is Sean. And I must say that they are such strong brand ambassadors in Schaeffler that the whole perception is changed. Today, even before your placement season formally begins, I get requests from the people who are there as your representative in Schaeffler that we would like to take these guys. And that all happened because the business education has changed. Back on those days, in our batch of 60 students, probably hardly 5 or 6 people were there who were coming with some amount of experience. And incidentally, I was one of them, and we used to be fondly called OBAXs, Old Boys Association of XLRI, because most of the other guys were just fresh out of the college. And if you look at in today's profile of any business schools, you will find at least 60 to 70% comes with few years of experience and some with substantial years of experience. And another reason that why I feel that this course stands out is that it's modeled in the German dual education systems model. So you get an opportunity to work in 3 different internship projects, which I believe adds a lot of strength in your overall understanding about the business. And also, that gives us an opportunity to see that how you fits into our organizational systems. So that's, of course, gives you a lot of edge. And I take what just now Professor Hariharan said. I think the course is over, but learning has probably just started, the practical learning. So I would have some few suggestions for you. One, of course, is learn very aggressively. I think this is the time where you can still go and see and apply some of the concepts which you have been taught in the class in a practical situations. And never take something for granted. You will find that in the industry, everyone would always say that this is the way it operates in this situation, in this company. But my earnest request to you is that never fail to experiment. And if you fail to experiment, if you fail to fail, then you are losing a big opportunity. And one more thing I would just say is that failures are still okay in the industry, but you need to learn from those failures. Only stupids make the same failure again and again and again. And I don't think that you belong to that category. So my earnest request is that do not take anyone's advice on the face value. Please try to apply the concepts which you have learned and see that how it works. There is always a delta of improving an existing systems. So try that, it works out. Third and most important, I think probably in my life I have seen, I have been very lucky to work with some of the great managers and mentors. What I have been taught is that the price of not acting in a situation is much higher than the price of acting and failing. So for heaven's sake, please act and take a decision. It might go wrong, but it doesn't matter. So these are 3 of the important learnings from experienced, 20 years experience and still learning professionals to all of you who are getting into a very exciting world. I think you're very lucky in another way because India is getting into a very exciting phase. There will be a lot of opportunities, and I think we all rely on people like you to add value to our country. All the best. I